Almost no real hunter is gonna still have a boar at this level. That's one of the telltale signs. And watch. Yeah, let me heal up a little bit. If I go and just around him and I start jumping and stuff, a normal person would say something like, hey, what the fuck are you doing? But if it's a bot, it won't even respond. Yep, it's a bot. Look at the board's name too. Look, it's a bot. Really weird. Doesn't even. Look, boom. The mob didn't even spawn yet, and it attacked it. Look. Straight up bot.